An email is automatically sent to all the registered stakeholders informing them of what is required from them to deliver construction compliance with Part L1A. This email instructs the builder to download the customised fabric and fixed building compliance documents using their project ID and password. The builder uses his project ID and password to access the read-only details on a particular project. When he has accessed the project, he simply downloads the customised fabric compliance documents. The software presents specific typical details populated with the design fabric specification for the floor, the wall and the roof. The process is very simple. The builder can only sign off on these compliance documents when the as constructed specification is equal to the as designed specification. Then the compliance box is ticked by the builder. If the as constructed specification is better than the design specification, then the over compliance box is ticked and the builder needs to provide calculations proving over compliance. Air permeability is the big variable when it comes to fabric design and construction. The builder needs to carry out an air permeability test on the dwelling. The main feature of these fabric compliance documents is that the design Y factor can be used in the calculation of the as constructed EPC by the OCDEA. If compliance documents are not provided for each thermal bridge detail, then the 0.15 default Y factor figure can only be used in the as constructed EPC calculation. The builder needs to access a particular project using their project ID and password. And when they have accessed the building control system, they simply download the fixed building compliance documents. These customized documents are populated with the design specification for the ventilation, lighting, secondary heating, water storage, boiler and heating controls. The process is the same as the fabric. The builder can only sign off on these compliance documents when the as constructed specification is equal to or better than the design specification described in these documents. If the as constructed specification is better than the design specification, then the over compliance box is ticked and the builder needs to provide the administrator with proof of over compliance. The fixed building compliance documents cannot be signed off by the builder until the fixed building specifications have been commissioned and the homeowner has been instructed in how the appliances work. Only when this has been done can the commission and instruct boxes be ticked. When the fabric and fixed building compliance documents are completed, the builder has been informed that they should forward them to the administrator. The administrator then summarizes these documents online by accessing the edited version using their administration page.